Hi there, little friends. Welcome to the magical world of fruits and vegetables. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Grape, grape. Watermelon, watermelon. Pineapple, pineapple. Mango, mango. Strawberry, strawberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Cherry, cherry. Kiwi, kiwi. Lemon, lemon. Peach, peach. Pear, pear. Plum, plum. Apricot, apricot. Papaya, papaya. Raspberry, raspberry. Coconut, coconut. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Lychee, lychee. Fig, fig. Guava, guava. Date, date. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Cantaloupe, cantaloupe. Blackberry, blackberry. Carrot, carrot. Potato, potato. Tomato, tomato. Cucumber, cucumber. Pea, pea. Broccoli, broccoli. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Spinach, spinach. Lettuce, lettuce. Corn, corn. Bell pepper, bell pepper. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Zucchini, zucchini. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Onion, onion. Garlic, garlic. Beet, beet. Celery, celery. Radish, radish. Mushroom, mushroom. Cabbage, cabbage. Asparagus, asparagus. Eggplant, eggplant. Green bean, green bean. Turnip, turnip. Squash, squash. Artichoke, artichoke. Kale, kale. Leek, leek. Okra, okra. If you had fun today, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more amazing videos just like this one.